So these SPCA workers told me that I had to put Echo to sleep. They convinced me that they were right, but I didn't want to tell my family, so I just said, okay, here, you take her and you can put her down with all these other cats, because they all had to be put down too, because they all had a horrible, horrible disease. But then afterwards I realized that I was completely wrong and that I did something really horrible. Jade and Caitlin convinced me to go back and ask them, and I started freaking out and I was going to cry, but then I stopped myself from crying and I'm like, no, I'm not crying anymore. So then I went and I talked to the people very nicely and I said, I think I made a mistake. I don't want you to kill my cat. And they're like, oh, well, we already started. And I looked around the room and they were all in these little tiny glass boxes, and they were starting to fill up with this white smoke that would knock out the cats and then kill them. So then I had to find the Echo kit before it killed her, and there were black cats everywhere, and I could not figure out which one was her because they all looked the same in the black mist. But then, because she's really smart, so she learned how to say her name because she hears us say it so often. So then I hear this little Echo, Echo, Echo coming from her, and I race over to her and she puts her paw against the glass and goes, Echo, Echo. So then I smash the glass and I get her out, and then she's safe. And then I woke up. In case you're really freaking out or you didn't notice, I got a haircut. It's usually spiked up with gel, but I couldn't be bothered today because I was running late for the bus. So now that you're over that shock, continuing on, I finally learned how to draw cat eyes. It is so great. So I celebrated by drawing a Warriors picture. I can't see that anymore. And those are the main characters in the first book of Warriors, in case you needed to know. And then I drew Brambleclaw and Squirrel Paw. That's my favorite scene that they do. It's so funny. Anyway, guess how long this took? 4.5 hours. It was a long time. Speaking of Warriors, I get a part in the StarClan's Warrior movie. Their username is the StarClans. And I get to play Sandpaw. Who's this one? This one. And I also get to play this one. But I only play him sometimes. So I was really excited for that. And Tribble of Doom, if you don't know who she is, then you are a fail. And you should know who she is because she is so great. She had a casting call for Cow of the Wild. And she commented on my video saying that I was in her top 3 for the part of Sammy. And I know I'm probably not going to get the part in the end, but I can still say that I was in top 3 for Tribble of Doom's Sammy in Cow of the Wild. So that is pretty darn amazing. The reason I'm telling you this is because I really want to be a voice actress. Like, I've done acting for 7 years, and I have to say I haven't improved much. My vocal acting has improved a lot, I think. So I'm pretty good at acting with my voice. So I would love to be a character in a story like I'm gonna be when I'm on this. It'll be so great. It's gonna be the greatest. If that falls through, then I'm just gonna be an author. And if that falls through, I'll be a veterinarian or something. A feline veterinarian. The question today is the top 5 things that make me strange. Okay. Number 1 is obviously my obsession with cats. I don't even know where it came from, but I have a lot of cats, and I like cats, and I talk about cats a lot, and I'm going to stop talking now because you're probably getting sick and tired of me talking about cats, because I just talked about cats forever. I gotta stop holding that up. Like, I've tried to do this like 1,600 times. Number 2, my voice is very strange. I always wear socks. I never ever not wear socks. I don't wear socks in the shower. There you go. But in most places, I always wear socks. I don't even know why. Like, I don't like my feet. I have, like, nice socks. I have pink socks, then I have blue socks, and I have purple socks, and I have stripy black socks, and I love socks. They're so great. I used to wear those socks that go up to here, and they're, like, the really, really tight ones that, like, leave an imprint in you when you're done wearing them. Those are weird. I don't know why I wore those. Whenever I draw cows, I always draw a black and white cow with blue hair. No idea why. If you ask me to draw a cow, that is how I would draw a cow. Really weird. And the last thing is, like Caitlin, I can link something back to TV shows, but it's not Grey's Anatomy. I can link anything you say back to either Merlin, Heartland, or Lion King. You just watch. Comment something, and I will link it back. I promise you. That's all my video for today. I'm trying to cut them shorter than I usually make them. So, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Promise. Oh wait, that means I don't promise. Dang. Okay, whatever.